Hello everyone and welcome to an unboxing video here that I'm very excited to do with you all. I've got a new clothing styling service box that I wanted to open up. I wanted to open it up on my own. I have seen this before, this company, but when they contacted me to do a sponsored unboxing, I was like, heck to the yes. I am very interested in checking you guys out. This is Fashom. I believe they've been around for about a year now. They are a completely women-led company, which I think is awesome, especially because they're all about spreading body positivity, which it's not that men can't, but I just love women lifting up other women, you know, instead of being catty and tearing each other down. Like, why not embrace everybody's beauty and lift people up, lift their spirits, and not shame them for the body that they were born in and that has gotten them through life, you know? Like, I'm way over that. I have been on a self-acceptance body positivity journey myself these past few years, and it's been wonderful being able to finally start to accept myself and to know that this company is all about embracing my and anyone's body just the way it is. That means a lot to me. They are also wallet friendly, which is exciting in the sense that I'm pretty sure it's like the highest discount you can get from one of these kind of like styling subscription services. I mean, not subscription, I shouldn't say that. You don't have to get this every single month or anything, which is great because, you know, we don't always have it in our budget every month to get these sorts of things. And sometimes you just don't want them every month, you know? I know myself, I have plenty of clothes already, but I do enjoy getting something like this every now and then. Not every month, but every now and then it is fun to get some new clothes or at least try some new things on. Instead of a 25% discount for keeping everything, you get the 25% discount if you keep 3 out of the 5 items, and if you keep 5 of the items, you get a 30% discount off of everything, which is amazing. It makes everything way more affordable, and also for every Fashom box, $1 is donated to a animal rescue in New York City, which is awesome. Many of you guys know I just personally started volunteering at an animal shelter this year, and it has been, really rewarding. I love it. I can't see myself ever stopping, but it has really opened my eyes. I knew that they were underfunded, animal shelters in general, but it really has opened my eyes to see how much help they can use. So to know that it's going towards an animal shelter just makes me very happy, you know, even if it is just $1, all of that adds up very quickly. Another very interesting and unique aspect to Fashom, which I really enjoyed, was that your first styling session is free. And by that, I mean, obviously someone's going to be styling you each time, but the first time when you sign up and you reserve a spot to have some time with one of the stylists, you will get to have a one-on-one like web chat thing to really talk to them and talk about your style, talk about what you're looking for, that sort of a thing, just so that they can better understand you and make sure, you know, they can ask questions like, oh, I see you said that you like this kind of a thing. How would you feel about this kind of a thing? And then you can either say yes or no, and that's totally fine. And afterwards, after your first freestyling session, if you want to keep on doing that, you certainly can. It'll be $15, and then that $15 will go towards your purchase. So that's really cool as well. And the biggest thing that I think is fun about Fashom is that you get to preview your items before they send them to you. So you get to see some options from them. I think they sent me 7 options, and I was able to pick which 5 of those 7 that I wanted to get in my box this month. And also, if you didn't like enough, you know, like there weren't 5 pieces that you really liked, you can tell them that and they will send you more options. So like, really, you know that what you're getting in your box is going to be stuff you like. It's then just going to come down to, does it look good on me once I try it on? Because a lot of things, and I feel like Fashom even says this, is that, you know, you might not know until you see the item on your body, which is very true. I have been in that situation many times, and it's one of the reasons why I like these kinds of styling things, is that it makes me, or kind of pushes me to step outside my comfort zone in terms of clothes and styles and fits and prints and all that stuff. But I am really excited to see the pieces that I picked out in person and to show them to you all. So to start off, We've got a nice card on here that says hello beautiful. We've also got a pre-stamped mailer bag, so anything that you need to make an exchange or if you need to return something, because like I said, you don't have to keep every single item in here. It's all free. You just pop that in the mail and away it goes. And we got some nice tissue paper here, little sticker heart that says thank you. That's really cute. And now for the pieces. Like I said, I already know what I picked out, so I'm excited to be able to try it on. So first things first, we have got a dress. This just looks like a very nice lightweight dress. It is black and it's almost leopard spots, the pattern on it. Maybe it's more polka dots. I'm a little nervous. The material feels like it might not be super breathable, which is something that I do look for in my clothes, but I'm excited in any case to just even try this on. It's just like a nice fit and flare kind of a dress, I believe, if I'm remembering correctly from the model. We shall see. Next up, this t-shirt I was excited to try out. I'm not sure about how the bottom is gonna fit me. We shall see, but I do like in my tops, since you know YouTube is my job and everything, I like it when they've got a little bit of detail up top just to give you guys something kind of visually interesting to look at. And this has these stripes of printed fabric going down the shoulders and the sleeve, orange and blue, some nice contrasty colors, and otherwise it's just isn't it called like a waffle fabric white cream shirt. And like I said, it's got that same band of print going around the waist, which I'm not sure it's going to be the most flattering on me, but it's also got this little tie down here. In any case, I thought it would be fun to try out. We've also got these pants that, oh, I am very excited to try on. At first I thought they were just a pair of plain black skinnies, which I was like, I mean, that's fine. Like, I do like a good black skinny jean. It's probably my most worn type of jeans. They are a mid-rise crop, but when I looked closer, I saw that they had this detail going down the leg of this floral crochet. Can we see it? Can we see it? So there'll be a little skin peeking through. I mean, I just thought that was a cute little twist. And then you guys know me, I love a good sweater, and this is so soft. Oh, well, normally I would be very excited to put this on my body because we have finally gotten into fall weather here, but we're having a heat wave this weekend, so I'm not super excited to put a sweater on, but I am excited to try this on. It's really soft, and I thought it was so cute. I didn't see in the picture that it's got purple mixed in here, but it was this nice, almost periwinkle kind of a blue, but a mix of like a sky and a robin's egg blue, and then we've got some purple mixed in, and then it's got these little poofy hearts all over it. Like from a distance it just kind of looks like polka dots or something, but then you see their hearts and it's just, aww. I don't know, I thought that was adorable. And then last but not least, you guys know I'm a sucker for a good cardigan. So when I saw this one with this big oversized leopard print on it, and it's like a muted nice, oh my gosh, it's very soft and it's a big cardigan, which, oh, you guys know that pleases me. So let's try these things on. All right, so first off, we have got the dress. How to get you guys a full view. There we go. Hello. Can you hear me? But here it is. It comes a little bit below the knee on me. It's just a nice fluttery dress, you know? It's very lightweight. It hits right at my waist where I like things to hit. It's got the open back, which I enjoy, many of you know. And overall, it's just a cute little dress. I really think it fits me very, very well. Shows off the curves that I got. What do we think? And then, why not? Some leopard on leopard. Let's put this cardigan on top of it. Oh, it's so cozy and it's so soft. Yeah, I really don't know. I don't think I would pair these together, but here is the cardigan. Oh, I love it. It's got nice big pockets and it is long. It goes to almost my knee, actually. I didn't think it was quite that long, but it is, and it is really cozy. It's fitted in the sleeves, and this is a medium/large, so that's why it's not like super oversized and baggy on me, because I am a pretty true extra large, but either way, it's still got a cute fit on it. I could totally see myself wearing this with some black skinny jeans, a black tank top, some cute shoes. Like, this is something I would absolutely wear. I kind of like that the knit, I don't know if it's like intentionally different. It looks semi the same, but I like how the white is a bit more like spaced out. You can kind of see the black through it, but then the other knits aren't, the other colors aren't like that. I don't know, just a interesting little touch. All right, so just like I thought, this shirt isn't super flattering on me. It's fine, it's just the band at the bottom is a little tight, and if I were to tie it together, I don't know. Overall, it's just not for me the way that it fits. The jeans are also ever so slightly tight around the midsection on me. You know, they fit everywhere else, and I love a good crop length because for me that's basically just normal length, but they are really cute. And like I said, the detail of the flowers, can you see it there? It's just very cute. Yay! This sweater is so cute. This heart sweater, it fits me good. It is super duper soft. It's a good length on me. Fits pretty dang perfectly. I just love all the little hearts on it. It's so cute. Get that little hanger helper out of the way. Aww. Aww, and just a fun color. I don't really think I have anything in this color. Looks cute with my nails too. Alright, so things have been tried on. Things that I want to keep are the two sweaters. Surprise, surprise. The dress was really cute. It's one of those things where I am trying to stay true to my promise to myself that I'm not going to buy things that are made of materials that do not breathe, just based on how I know I'm comfortable and that I know I will never grab to wear it because of the fabric. The jeans were really nice. They're a good, thick, sturdy feeling quality, but I know that if I were to exchange these for a size up, a size 16, yes, they would fit me in the waist better, but then they would be too baggy elsewhere. So it just happens to be that that brand of jean does not fit my body well, or doesn't fit it perfectly. And then the shirt was cute in concept, but just didn't work on me. So I am curious, I'm assuming yes. Violet was apparently my stylist. Thank you for styling me. The prices look like they align pretty closely to other styling service boxes out there. The jeans were $49. The heart pullover sweater was about 48 bucks, and just quality-wise, like the feel of it, how soft it is, I can definitely see it selling for that at like a Nordstrom or something. The short sleeve top was $39. The dress is $49, which I think based on the quality of that one, it's not quite worth that price point. And the leopard print cardigan is 59 bucks. Again, a little steep for a cardigan, but shoot. It's one of those things where it's like, now that I got it, I don't want to give it up. So if I were to buy all 5 items with the discount, it would have been just about $171, which is like 35 bucks per item, which that to me would make sense on all of these. But as I said, I will not be keeping all 5 items, but I still thought it was really fun to try out these clothes with you all. Thank you to Fashom once again for sponsoring this video. If you all want, you can use my link down below. It is an affiliate link in that not only will it get you $10 off of your first box, but it also gives me 10 bucks. So give 10, get 10, that sort of a thing. Even if you just want to check them out, I would appreciate it if you use my link so that they can see how many people came to them from my video. Certainly let me know in the comments down below which of these pieces were your favorite on me. Have you tried Fashom? How do you feel about them? All of that good stuff. I love hearing from you guys in the comments down below. You can also let me know if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in seeing whether or not Fashom is something you are going to want to try out for yourself by giving the video a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!